Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, guys, I am not gonna lie to you, I am so exhausted, I'm so tired, and I'm having a big lazy day today. So what do I do on a lazy day? I clean and I declutter. It has been so long since I've decluttered anything in my makeup room, and I am so overwhelmed with the amount of products that I have, and I honestly just want to get rid of a lot of it. So in today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my skincare section, and then in future videos, I will be decluttering my eyeshadow collection, my foundation collection. Like, I'm just going to be going through a lot of makeup and just getting rid of a lot of it that I generally don't use. I also bought a lot of containers when me and Paige hung out last month. We bought a lot of containers together, and I really need to reorganize this room. I'm so dissatisfied with it, and yeah, so I figured I would just kind of do a chilled, laid-back video with you guys today and just declutter my skincare. And yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video, and if you guys want to see what I declutter and why, well then definitely keep on watching. So I'm gonna go ahead and preface this and say that I don't have like a typical like beauty room like a lot of people out there do. Like I love Paige's beauty room so much. I love her Alex 9 drawers, but they are so expensive. So I do like the cheap girl version of that, and that's just having containers, because containers are pretty inexpensive. I feel like a sweater drawer, it's like $24, and then it's like for a t-shirt drawer, it's like $12, and like it just gets cheaper and cheaper as the price goes. So I have a lot of stuff in the $12 drawers. I've had these for a while now. These were one of the first few containers that I ever bought for myself like 2 years ago. So I have them all right here. They do sit on the floor because I don't know where else to put them. I could put them behind me, but I don't know how that would look. I don't have like another bookshelf in here to put it in. I just really need to like redo this whole room, but it's just so hard when I can only do so much financially. So don't judge my skincare being on the floor. It is what it is. So yeah, we're just gonna not judge my skincare being on the floor. It's in containers, but yeah, majority of the skincare I don't touch or just haven't had a need for it. So I just really want to go through it and just get rid of a lot of stuff, just because it just overwhelms me just looking at it. And yeah, I'm rambling on to you guys. Y'all don't want to see this. Y'all want to see that. So let me go ahead and take you all over here. So this is my skincare right here. This is where I keep all of my skincare at. I'm not gonna lie, this reminds me of this particular scene in The Office.
A lot of people in the room, you need more space. Voila, right into the wall. Wow.
The way that I'm just like, my skincare, this is my skincare. So as you guys can see, I do keep it on the floor, just because I really don't know where else to put it at the moment. Like, I generally just don't know where to put it. So I just keep it in these containers. They are kind of organized, but as time went on, for my last decluttering video, I kind of just stopped organizing it. So we're gonna really just go through here. I will donate what I can, and I will give some away that I can, but some of the stuff just really isn't usable anymore. But I do have a few people already in mind to send this stuff to. So yeah, let's go ahead and just dive straight into this. I don't really know how this video is gonna go. I don't really ever do these sort of videos. Paige does them all the time, and she does such an amazing job at it that I figured I'd try it for once. And this is my section. Okay, so don't mind that. Like, that's my SpongeBob PR box that I bought, and some extra goodies on top. But this right here, this is where I keep all of my actual like cleansers. I don't really have that many cleansers, but these are some of the ones I got sent from like subscription boxes and whatnot. So let me go ahead and start to clear these out, because I can tell you what I will and will not keep. So okay, so first things first, we do have this snail face cleanser. I got this from Dollar Beauty. I used 2 of these already, and it did a great job at cleansing my skin. Honestly, I thoroughly have enjoyed this product. I just haven't opened it up in a while because I've been so into my Good Molecules. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a No Waste Wednesday, just because this is still not opened. And I know some people get really weary about this, but this is actually a really, really good product. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just add this to a No Waste Wednesday. Next, we have this Gentle Foam Cleanser. This is from Glossy Box. I'm probably never gonna use this, and honestly, it was clear when I got it, and now it has this like rose yellow tinge. I used to live and breathe by this cleanser. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this one because I'm literally almost out of cleanser, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping this one. Then we have this Let Me Clean Deep Clearing Clay Foam. I hear this is really good, but again, I haven't actually tried it, so I'm just gonna save this for future cleansings. Same thing with my Vita Sea Bird. I'm gonna save that for future cleansings. Then I do have this Biro. This is a rice cleansing sorbet. This actually smells amazing. This is actually really expensive. I got this in a PR box from them. I'm actually gonna hold on to this. This is supposed to be like before you wash type of situation. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of this Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I used to use this all the time, but honestly, I don't even use this anymore. I feel like it did do a small difference, but I don't really use these type of exfoliators anymore. I use chemical exfoliators. I find them to be just a little bit better. Because of the micro beads that are in here, it can actually cause a little bit of tearing of the skin. So it is a good product, but I've moved on to other things from this one. Then we do have this Glossy Box Night Serum, and I just, no, don't use it. Along with this little small Origin Renewal Serum. It's just a little tiny sample that is just empty, just been sitting in there. And then I do have this Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. I honestly never even opened this or used this, so I'm again put this into a No Waste Wednesday just because it's never been used and or opened. Okay, so I actually pulled these all out of there. That was supposed to be like an eye drawer, but I got rid of so many different eye products. I don't need that many eye products. So I got rid of all these like little sample stuff right here. I also pulled out this little Laneige travel size set because I actually genuinely want to try these products. This was given to me a little while ago, so I want to give this a go. And then I pulled out two more stuff that is just not supposed to be in that drawer, but I'm going to go ahead and put them somewhere else. Right here we do have my hair drawer, but I will hit that last because I do want to hit all the way in the corner. That's going to be my moisturizer drawer. Okay, so I am getting rid of this Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep just because I know I'm not going to end up using this. I'm going to pass this to a different home, along with this mushroom water serum. I'm going to go ahead and pass that to a no home as well because I know that I'm just generally not going to use it. I also got rid of the Glossy Box Exfoliating Clay Scrub because again, I'm just not into the actual like the little exfoliators. I like using chemical exfoliators instead. And then I also got rid of these pads just because I used a few of them and I'm just honestly not a fan of them. For some reason I had this lip liner in here. I don't know what I was doing in there, but there it was. All right, so this drawer right here, this is my moisturizing drawer. All right, so I'm passing along this 3-in-1 moisturizer just because I've never used it. Along with this Weightless Face Moisturizer. Again, I've never used it. It passes on to good homes. This is empty, so I don't know why this is in there. And then I also have the Darla Beauty. This is going to be the Snail Face Cream. I actually really do love this face cream right here. It's great if you have really oily skin and or have large pores. This is great for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass this on to somebody I know that could really use this, but it actually really is a good product. And then the Elemis Superfood Glowing Primer Moisturizer. I love Elemis, but again, I would honestly never use this just because it's for glowing primer, just because it's for glowing skin and it's not for me. So I would too add this to a No Waste Wednesday just because it's never been opened and or used. All right, right down here we have mask. So let me go through all this.
And it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby.
Okay, so in this drawer, I'm actually getting rid of a lot of products. The first thing I'm getting rid of is this I Do Care Disco Kitten. Honestly, it's a really cool mask because it does illuminate and it peels right off. I do love peel off mask, but it's just for illuminating. I feel like it doesn't do anything for my skin personally, except for just make it a really fun, interesting mask to peel off. But I feel like I actually get no beneficial properties from this. The Glam Glow Berry Glow Recovery Mask. Again, I don't get anything from this at all. I don't really care for Glam Glow that often. I personally do love the Glow Recipe formula over Glam Glow, so again, this would be getting rid of. I have the Pure Barbie Brightening Peel Off Mask. I use this several times. Again, it's just so much fun. We can peel the mask off in one sitting. I find that to be so much fun, but I've only used this a couple of times, and again, I don't ever notice any nice properties on my skin. Aaliyah Skincare. Honestly, this brand is not the best brand. I have worked with them before in the past, and they have repeatedly reached out to me numerous times to ask me to do videos for them, and every single time I do send them my previous videos that I've ever done for them, because they always act like I don't exist, and they go, "Hi, we're so-and-so, we'd love to work with you," and I go, "Oh, here are my previous videos," and they never respond. So again, and this is also really old. I've had this for a couple years now, and well, you guys can't tell from here, but this is like one of the first videos I've ever done for like a skincare brand, and I'm ready to move on from this brand. We do have an Origins mask. I have a bigger size of this. I don't need a small size of it. And then we do have a few of these products right here. I just don't ever use them, and some of them are pretty old, some of them are not old, but they just have been used, and I just don't get anything out of them. Again, I just don't get anything out of it. And then I do have these two right here. These are some more masks that I have definitely tried out, and I just don't really notice too much of a difference with these. So I try them and see what they're like, and then I'm just like, you know what, I'm good, I don't need these. This is a good product, but I've already used this one several times, and I've already like other brands a little bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and just declutter this as well, because it is pretty used at this point. And then I have all these masks right here. Honestly, I don't really use masks like this, so I'm just gonna add all these masks into a No Waste Wednesday. All right, so now we have hair care products in here.
We'll never get old. Heading down Cali, driving round with my babe.
Alrighty, so I am gonna be going ahead and letting this one go. This is a body scrub. I'm just really not into body scrubs, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pass this along to my friends who I know would really want this, but this would just have no use for me. I got this in a, oh god, I think it was a glossy box actually, and I just never really used it. It's just been sitting there for a while, and it's kind of like I can't even shake it anymore. This was really like kind of loose, and now it's like hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this one. This smelled really good, but I never use it. Some sample stuff that I'm just gonna go ahead and pass along. We have a hair scrub, or like a scalp scrub, and a body cream. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and just pass these along because I never use them. And I already have this spray, and I don't really care for this mask, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pass these along as well. All right, then I have this last drawer right here. This has a lot of Truly Beauty products in here, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this right here. I did a full video on their vegan collagen brand, and I've used these products quite a few times. I don't really notice a difference with these products whatsoever. They smell okay, but yeah, I'm not a fan of these products anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pass these along. I know someone who's been eyeing this, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass along to her. Same thing with this facial wash, same thing with this serum, and the mask. Again, this is one of those peel off masks that's for glowing stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and just pass this into a No Waste Wednesday just because I never even opened it or used it. I'm actually gonna keep this one because this is actually skincare. So I'm gonna put, I'm sorry, it's sunscreen. I'm gonna keep the sunscreen, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pass this along to one of my friends. And these came broken, and I honestly just don't use these, so these will be passed along as well. Last but not least, I do have some of these sets over here. So over here, I'm gonna go ahead and just declutter this. I used this in a video, and you guys saw that it did not work for me whatsoever, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get rid of it because it's been used, and I don't want to give someone a used product that I don't know, and I don't know any friends who would want this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just declutter this one. Unfortunately, it was only $14, but still I feel bad for decluttering it, but it definitely did not work for me. I tried it several times, and I just could not get it to work. So this is what we are gonna be decluttering today, and this is what I'm adding into Like part of this is a no waste, and a part of this is actually going to some friends. And before I fully get rid of anything, because I will have some of my friends come over and see if there's anything they want from here, but majority of this will be decluttered because some of this is just really old, some of this is just I used a couple times. So I'm gonna let them kind of go through it first, and then I am gonna go ahead and declutter. And then this one right here, you guys will see some of these items in my No Waste Wednesday, and also probably being donated. I didn't give away as much stuff as I wanted to, just because I don't really have that much skincare. Now, the reason why I don't have that many stuff is because I tend to give away a lot of skincare. If you guys don't know, I do No Waste Wednesdays every single month, and I get so much skincare sent to me in subscription boxes that I always just end up passing them along that month. There are some skincare items that I do keep for myself to try out, and the stuff that I do keep and try out, most of them are already in my bathroom being used right now. Some of these are just extra backups, but typically I don't hoard on to skincare like I do makeup. I don't have that many stuff to get rid of in this video like maybe my other videos are going to be, because there's like a lot of eyeshadow palettes that I'm just ready to get rid of. So this isn't as bad as it was before. If you guys would have seen me back in December, or it was like early January, I did a full declutter where I decluttered my entire makeup collection. That was skincare included, and I got rid of a lot of stuff. And like I said, I'm always passing along skincare to my friends all the time, just because I generally do have a lot, in my opinion. Like this right here may not seem like a lot to you guys, but at the end of the day, it really takes a long time for you to adjust yourself to a new skincare routine. It takes about 21 days to see any product actually work on your skin. And realistically, if I really want to try out a product, I have to try it for 21 days straight to see how it reacts to my skin, if I really like it. And by that point, I already have new skincare coming in. So I wish I had a lot more to give away like Paige does, but I'm just not at that level, and that's completely okay. I'm very satisfied with what I have. I'm very happy with how this new skincare collection is looking. Just because the less the better. I feel like when there's just so much stuff in there, it just gets way too cluttered, and then I get like, ooh, very overwhelmed. So I hope to one day have a really beautiful room like Paige does, or like all these other influencers do. But I'm happy with what I got right now. I'm happy that I can add some of these items to a No Waste Wednesday so you guys can try them and pass some of the goodies to my friends and then have them go to new homes. So yeah, this is definitely a different video than what I normally film. You guys got to kind of see my disarray of a room a little bit, but I hope you guys like this video. I intend to do so much more because, like I said, I got all these new containers that I want to redo this whole room again. I don't know if we're gonna stay here or not. I think we might be looking into trying to rent a house or a townhome or something, but I want to redo my room whenever that happens. So you guys will definitely be seeing this more in the future. I think I'm just gonna leave this right here for now, or I might get like a small little like white bookshelf and put them in a bookshelf so they look a little bit more classier than just sitting on the floor. But it's the best that I could do for now. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you do, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's All for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing husband, Corey. And a huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! This one, because of the micro breeds, does this because of the little micro breeds, because of the macro, this is a good product. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and pass along this vegan collagen